Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best temporal artery thermometer available, the iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer. This innovative thermometer utilizes non-contact infrared technology, making it safe, hygienic, and incredibly easy to use. With its built-in infrared sensor, the iHealth PT3 can accurately measure body temperature within 1.18 inches from the center of the forehead, without ever needing to touch the person. This is especially convenient for parents with young children or for use in public settings where hygiene is paramount. But what sets this thermometer apart from the rest? Let's take a closer look at its features. First off, the iHealth PT3 boasts 3 ultra-sensitive sensors, ensuring maximum accuracy with every temperature reading. Its large LED display makes it easy to read, even in low-light conditions. And its quiet vibration feedback eliminates the need for annoying beeps or buzzes. One of the things I love about this thermometer is its versatility. It's suitable for all age groups, from infants to the elderly, making it a must-have for every household. Plus, its single-button control design makes it incredibly simple and intuitive to use. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the iHealth PT3's accuracy, ease of use, and portability. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this thermometer is your trusted companion for monitoring body temperature. And with iHealth's worry-free 12-month warranty and friendly California-based customer service, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that you're backed by a company that cares about your health and satisfaction. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, accurate, and hygienic temporal artery thermometer, look no further than the iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.